Hi folks, welcome back to Meta Box tutorial. In today's practice, we are going to find out how to show posts with specific criteria using Meta Box and Breakdance. Here, I did an archive page with Breakdance as an example. This page will display only the dishes which are on sale. Each dish is a post of a custom post type. In addition to the basic information of the dishes such as the name, description and the image of the dish, I have these two numbers for pricing. They're the original price and the promotional price which are saved in custom fields. Only posts which have numbers in the promotional price fields will be displayed on this page. This is the mentioned criteria. Let's see which tools we need in this practice. As mentioned, we use Breakdance to build the page. We need Meta Box to have a framework creating custom fields. It's free and available on WordPress.org. We also need some Meta Box's extensions to have its advanced features. You can download them individually or just use Meta Box AIO. Here are the extensions that we will use in this practice. MB Custom Post Types and Custom Taxonomies to create custom post types. Meta Box Builder to have a UI on the backend to create custom fields easily. Finally, I also use the MB admin columns to display custom fields as columns like this. It will help to clarify easier which dishes have the promotional price, means which are on sale. However, this extension is just optional. Let's get started. Go to Meta Box and create a new post type for the dishes. Then you will see a cuisines menu here. Here are two fields that I'll create as an example. The value stored in these two fields will be set to the condition to choose which dishes will be displayed. You also can add some other custom fields to save more information about your product, and display them on the page in the same way. Let's create them. In this practice, I use the MB admin columns so I have the settings like this. You can check the box to show this field as an admin column. Do likewise with the promotional price field. This will help you to clarify which post has a promotional price or not, and the dishes on sale will be displayed in the archive page. For example, this post doesn't have promotional price, so this dish will not be displayed on the archive page. After creating all the fields, move to the Settings tab, choose Location as Post Type, and then select Cuisines to apply these fields to this post type. Now, you will see the created custom fields when creating a new post in Cuisines. Here are some posts that I created for example. The original price and the promotion price are shown as admin columns as well to easily clarify which ones will be displayed. With Breakdance, you should create a global block to get and display information from a post first, then use this global block to display them anywhere on your site. Go to Breakdance and create a new global block. Remember to set a post for live preview. First, add a dev element to cover the block. We should create a condition in this element to choose which posts will be displayed. Go to the settings of the div element. You will see the condition section to add a new one. Choose dynamic data from the list to set the condition based on the data saved in custom fields. Since just posts which have any value in the promotional price will be displayed, choose the field here. Then change the operation to is not empty. That's all for the condition. Let's add some elements to display the post's information. First, add the post featured image element. It'll display immediately. Next, I use a div element to group all the rest information for easier styling. Add the post title element for the dish's name. Add another div to the group of the original price and promotional price. For each type of price, add a text element. Then insert dynamic data via this icon button. Choose a field to get data from. The number will display. You can add the prepend and append text for having the unit price. Now, the structure of the block will be like this. Add another text element for the promotional price. Then get data from the corresponding field in the same way as the original price. Finally, I just add the post content element for the description of the dish. That's all the things I want to display in the block. Go to add a new page as usual. Then go to Breakdance and create a custom template for it. Set the location of the template as single pages, and add the condition as follows. In the template editor, add a section element first to cover all the page content. For the page title, add the post title element. Next, to display the posts, we should use the post loop builder. It allows us to display multiple posts. Set the global block as the one we've just created. There's nothing displayed now. Just go to the query section. Edit the query to set the post types that we want to get posts from as cuisines. Now, there are some posts displayed exactly as we set in the created global block. It seems like that's just the posts that have value in the promotional price are displayed in this page because we set the condition in the global block to get them. But, it's not like what you're thinking. When changing the layout a little bit, you will see something weird. There are some blank blocks here. They do not disappear on the front end. It simply is the place for the posts that didn't meet our condition. The post's information won't display, but they still have their own space. To remove them, get back to the template editor. Add a code block, and input some JavaScript. Now, the void disappears. If you want to style the display of the post information, go back to edit the global block. Change the settings of each element to get the wanted look. For the layout, go to the template editor, do the same. That's the end of today's tutorial. If you want to try more, please watch other tutorials on this channel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe us for more tutorials. Bye.